Why do I start all of my videos like out of the screen and then I come back in and then I have to move the computer because I'm not on the screen? I don't know. But so today, I mean, this is like my third video today, I think. Anyway, today, within this span of like 5 minutes, I'm going to talk about ringtones because my friend has a really cool ringtone. Yeah, it's like, she has it customized to everybody in her phone book. So she like went up to everybody one day at lunch and was like, say that you're calling me. So she held it up to me. She's like my best friend. She's like my sister. But she's like, Megan, say Megan is calling you. I was like, hi, it's Megan calling you. Like, what are you doing? And it turned out she customized it. So whenever I called her, her phone would be like, hey, it's Megan, I'm calling you. What's up? Answer your phone. And then one person recorded it like this. Hey, Izzy, what's up? I'm calling you. Answer your phone. La 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 la. Like singing. Then her phone went off in class. And all of the ringtones start out like this. Doop, 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 doo, 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 doop, doop, doo. Like a little tune thing. And the teacher was like, whose phone is that? Whose phone is that? And everybody looks around. And her face is just like, crud, 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 crud. Because then you hear, hey, Izzy, what's up? It's me, answer your phone. And she was like, sorry. Yeah, but what also annoys me sometimes is when people are making videos and then like the phone like starts ringing. It's so annoying and it's hello? Yes, you have to get popcorn. Get popcorn. Mom, don't. You have to get popcorn. Oh my god, it's across the street. Just get the popcorn. If you're already going to the store to get ice cream, please get popcorn. Bye, bye. That was my sister. She doesn't want to get popcorn. Here, look, I can prove that she was calling me and then I just didn't make that up. Because look. Call in. Call from Claire. Wait. I received call. That was wrong one. See, Claire called me at 4:37. So, but oh, I actually have a cool ringtone now. I actually didn't know that I had a cool ringtone. My phone came with a really weird ringtone. What ringtone is this? I'm gonna play it. Ooh, there's a lot of phone things. What's a... Listen. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, that's annoying. Ooh. What's that called? This is called Happy Call. That is happy. Oh. Let me put my hair down. You can listen to music while I flip my hair. Oh, it went away. Where did it go away? And I know my hair looks like crud right now. So that way, that's why I'm going to go like this and make it pretty-ish. Yes? Okay, 1 second. Okay. I have to go off the internet. Wait, what was I calling? Oh, it's this one. My hair's messed up. Okay, I have to go out of the internet so my mom can watch basketball. But I will be back with a ringtone part 2. Goodbye.